will guide you through how to cut stroke Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to access the Start menu. In the search field, type Google Chrome to locate the browser application. Then open Google Chrome on your device. Once the browser has finished loading, click the address bar, enter Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website. Before proceeding, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account so you can access your files and editing tools without interruption. After logging in successfully, wait for the Figma dashboard to load completely on your screen. To cut a stroke in Figma, select a previous project from your recent files. Click the project you want to edit, and the editor page will open with your design canvas and layers visible. Next, locate the layer that contains the stroke you want to modify. You can find it directly on the canvas or by selecting it from the Layers panel. Once you have identified the correct layer, double-click on it to enter editing mode. This allows you to work directly with the vector path and its points. After entering edit mode, move your cursor toward the toolbar located at the bottom of the interface. Look for the Cut button and click it to activate the cutting tool. With the tool enabled, choose the exact point on the stroke where you want the cut to occur. Click on the desired location along the stroke path. As soon as you do this, a new circular anchor point will appear. This new point indicates that the stroke has been successfully split at that specific location. Depending on the design, you may repeat the process at another point if you need to isolate a particular section of the stroke. Once the cut has been created, select the segment of the stroke that was separated from the original path. Make sure the correct section is highlighted before continuing. After confirming your selection, press the Delete key on your keyboard. The selected portion of a stroke will be removed immediately, leaving the remaining path intact.